Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty today. I promised I would catch you up on what I learned at Inductance Energy. Here's Inductance Energy. They trade as QEGY. You can find them at www.ie.energy. They are changing the world. And the person who designed it all, this is Dennis Danzik. He did it all. He is a designer and the inventor. This is an insignia I saw on the wall out there. Nobody was able to explain exactly what it was. They didn't tell me or I didn't remember. They're pretty careful about what happens when you get there. You check in your watch, you check in your cameras. You can't bring anything into their plant. It's a big secret as to how it goes away. Dennis is very proud of what he's put together, and this thing really works, and here it is. This is the Earth engine. Yes, it actually does work. It does generate electricity, a lot of electricity, like 25 kW. I'm going to make this very short. It's 5 feet by 5 feet by 5 feet. Weighs about 3,300 pounds. It will run for about 15 years. It runs on about 200 pounds of very specialized magnets. And they're going to lease it to you. They will not sell it. Again, Dennis put this thing together. It's absolutely amazing. It really does work. I touched it, I felt it, and it is spectacular. I'm going to bring you into this video that I showed you before because they can explain it much better than I. So we'll watch it together, then I'll have a few comments at the end.
I'm from the old school. Well, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Well, sometimes you have to realize that once in a while, it is true.
This is going to change the world.
Can you imagine having a system that produces this type of energy without the need of wind, sun, or traditional fuels?
I see the Earth engine in 5 years not just being a replacement for your typical power usage, but literally being a replacement for every single thing that needs some sort of motor to run it.
It's capable of producing power without any pollution, without using any finite resources. It's amazing technology.
This is going to change the world.
Tesla said that eventually man would connect his machines to the very wheelwork of nature, and the wheelwork of nature is magnetism. The Earth engine is a way, very simply, to take pressure from magnetic force. Just like when you were a kid, you put two magnets together, you soon found that they not only attract, but they repel. In very simple terms, it's a way to harvest that pressure between those repulsed magnets.
You know, it's amazing that you look at the clock and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and you've been here since 5 in the morning and you don't even realize it. Time goes because I really enjoy this. This is going to change the world. This is going to change the world.
There's no real new technology other than this. So if you take this technology and you start applying it to other applications, we open up a whole new world. I mean, if you think of what you can do with magnetic propulsion, it just is unlimited.
This is going to change the world.
If you don't physically experience it, it is very, very difficult to comprehend.
This is going to change the world.
When you start thinking of the bigger picture, what does this have the potential to do to not only to the community or the city, to the state, to the nation, to the world? It really has a global impact and opportunity. When you look at the numbers of how that pans out in terms of actual kilowatts produced, actual energy created, it completely replaces any need for any other technology.
What's really unique about this is if you took this system and you stuck it in the middle of the ocean, it could produce the same electricity as you could in downtown Manhattan. You're able to produce not just electricity, but if you want to operate a pump, you want to operate a sewage treatment plant, you want to operate a compressor, it produces horsepower. Uniquely to what Dennis has developed here is that most magnets will produce energy, right? But they dissipate over time. But more importantly, they don't create torque. What he has developed, which is really the secret to it, is it creates torque. And torque allows you to use it for many different applications. You could conceivably use it for the engine of a car.
The Earth engine's implications for the planet are no less than dramatic. In places that are completely underserved because people are impoverished, once that you can deliver energy, just power. It doesn't have to be electrical energy. It could be the power to operate a pump, the ability to move septic, the ability to pump water, the ability to clean water. All of these things are a problem solved when you have magnetic propulsion, as we call it, the Earth engine.
This is going to change the world.
Probably the most amazing device I have seen in my 80 years being on this earth. Even better than the iPhone, even better than the internet, because it generates clean energy. Right there it is, inductance energy. I'll show this to you again before we're finished here, but it is inductance energy. It was created by Dennis Danzik. He's done a fabulous job. And I strongly urge you to follow them. I'm not selling anything. I'm not suggesting you invest in the company. All I'm suggesting is this is fabulous. You saw it here. I brought it to you. Check them out. Right there they are, www.ie.energy. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a like.